Hey y'all, it's Carrie Morey. I am the founder of Callie's Hot Little Biscuit here in Charleston, South Carolina. I wanted to thank the Hartford for being my partner in our national docu-series on PBS called How She Rolls. We're super excited about this project, and if you haven't seen it, check it out. I also wanted to give you the 5 tips that I've learned about failure. In the 16 years that I have spent growing and building Callie's Biscuits, there have been a lot of failures, but I think the things that are important to remember are, number 1, it doesn't define you. Even though you may have a failure, it doesn't mean you are a failure. The second thing that I would say about failure is it will make you stronger. And as hard as it is to go through it, there's really no way around it. And going through the process of failing and evaluating why you failed will make you stronger. The third thing that I would say about failure is that you really need it in order to grow. If you're not failing, you're probably not taking enough risk, and failure is how you grow. You learn from failure, and then you can grow even bigger. And I think another thing that is super important to remember about failure is that it's not final. We actually like to call failure learnings, successes and learnings, not failures, because you learn so much. It's not the end all be all. And I think the last thing that I would say about failure, as an entrepreneur, it can be very lonely. And a lot of times you've got to fake it until you make it. And it may hurt and burn and sting, but you are leading a group, including yourself, and you have to focus on the positives and focus on all the blessings that you have instead of focusing on the failure. And sometimes you just have to fake it till you make it. And doing that, it will make you believe as well as your team believe.